Is Custom Keto Diet work? Let's see. Watch this legit review and decide. The Custom Keto Diet is an amazing low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet plan for weight loss. It is carefully formulated not just for you to lose weight but to get your health back on track. And I can't wait for you to enjoy the life-changing results you'll get by investing in yourself today. It is a meal plan that will help you skip all the frustration and take charge of your weight, shape, health, and figure. In this meal plan you will be eating based on a scientifically proven method that's crafted to help any person, at any age, and in any situation enjoy long-lasting fat loss results. More beautiful is the fact that you will not starve like in other diet plans. You are simply placed on a high-fat diet and eat little or no carbohydrate. This makes your body begin to use fat for energy in the absence of sugar. You know what, your body begins to burn fat and you begin to lose weight. In 8 weeks, just 8 weeks, you will have a remarkable weight loss. Here are the amazing things you will get in the Custom Keto Diet. An 8-week meal plan based on the experience and expertise of industry leaders. A diet optimized to your own ideal calorie and macro intake, delicious meals based on your food preferences. Crystal clear, step-by-step recipe instructions. Moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. An approximate breakdown of macronutrient intake on the keto diet goes like this. Carbohydrate 5 to 10% of your daily calories, fat 70 to 75%, moderate in protein 20 to 25%. For comparison, here's how a traditional healthy diet looks in terms of macros. Carbohydrate 45 to 65%, fat 20 to 35%, protein 10 to 35%. In other words, the keto diet pretty much turns your usual diet upside down. At the same time, it comes with a bunch of exciting health benefits. How is that possible? How the keto diet works in a nutshell? On a carb-fueled diet, the body works on glucose as its primary source of energy and uses insulin to bring glucose inside its cells. If you're overweight, most likely you have a great deal of insulin resistance, meaning that this hormone doesn't work well and doesn't bring enough glucose inside your cells. The lion's share of the glucose you get either remains in the blood, gradually leading to diabetes, or is deposited as fat, leading to even more excess weight. The keto diet is fat-fueled, not carb-fueled. When your carb intake drops drastically, your body is forced to find a plan B to stay functional. Essentially, it starts transforming the fat you eat and the body fat you had stored previously into ketone bodies that can be used for energy. This leads not only to consistent and effective weight loss but also to a wide range of additional health benefits. Benefits of the keto diet. There are hundreds of studies on how the keto diet may improve human health, and many of them report amazing findings so far. The keto diet may improve body composition and enhance physical performance. Ketone bodies support cognition, probably because they are a more efficient source of energy for the brain than glucose. Keto appears to fight off depression. According to animal studies, the ketogenic diet significantly reduces the frequency of seizures in people with epilepsy. Even though the keto diet is based on a high intake of dietary fat, it improves blood cholesterol. Keto seems to improve insulin sensitivity. Some studies reported that the keto diet may even be beneficial for treating acne. Now, this is how the program runs. Once you click the link below to get to the product page, you will see a and click dialog box. Yes, I want an 8-week custom keto meal plan. This takes you to an option to choose your gender, either male or female. Next is a page to choose your activity, etc. Afterward, you choose your type of meat. Then your choice of vegetables. Next is other food. After that, you put your measurements. Height, weight, age, etc. All these processes are very easy and just a click and one-word answers. After this, you are in and ready on your journey of weight loss and optimal health. Why you should go for a custom keto 8-week plan. A detailed 8-week eating plan based on your dietary preferences, with all the macros counted for you. No need for any calculations whatsoever. A collection of easy and delicious recipes to try, with ingredients that you'll find in your nearest grocery store. A breakdown of all your macros for optimal results: calories, fat, protein, carbs. Also, you'll get a recommended water intake plan suited for the keto diet. An estimated progress plan will tell you how much weight you'll lose in 30 days. There are options on how you can customize every meal even more to suit your taste buds. An ironclad money-back guarantee. Try the Custom Keto Diet for 60 days risk-free and get a full refund if you're not satisfied with the results. Finally, amazing benefits of the Custom Keto Diet. It significantly increases fat burning. It's simple and easy to follow. Hunger cravings will fade. You don't have to exercise to reap the benefits. It's healthy and safe. You'll lose weight like clockwork. The Custom Keto Diet is one of the most comprehensive and effective individuals' eating plans based on the wildly popular keto diet. It's great not just for weight loss, but for general health support, based on hundreds of studies. In other words, right now is literally the best time to invest in your health and try out the Custom Keto Diet risk-free for 60 days. It's your time to act. Click the link below for instant access to download Custom Keto Diet. Thanks for watching.